This is where the real action is, where all of the hard work, dedication, and care for the cow reveals itself. In the milking parlor. Twice a day, or on some farms 3 times a day, the cows are brought into the parlor to be milked. Parlors can come in all shapes and sizes, depending on how many cows are in the herd and how much time the farmer wants to spend each day milking. Some parlors may only take cows in on one side, but most hold cows on 2 sides, so the farmer and helpers could walk around in a pit underneath the cows and handle the equipment without having to bend over all the time. Some larger operations even have what are called carousel or revolving milking parlors, which can milk as many as 70 cows or more at a time. When the cow walks into the parlor, they move into their spot and then the farmer cleans off their teats and then dips the teats with iodine or antiseptic solution. After the teats are dried off, the milking suction tubes, also called a milker or claw, are gently attached to the cow's teats and the milking begins. The milk is gently sucked through a series of tubes into large, clear glass jars, or in some cases, it's sent directly into a large stainless steel holding tank. Many cows can produce 5 to 7 gallons of milk each visit. Once they're finished, the milker drops off the teats and the cows are able to leave the parlor so that the next group can come in. In a carousel milker, the cows will spend around 10 to 12 minutes being milked as they travel in a circle, and by the time they go around once, they receive a signal to get off and they back off the machine. The most recent technology is what's known as robotic milkers, which allows cows to be milked when they want to. An electronic device around the cow's neck or an ankle tells the robot which specific cow wants to be milked, opens a gate to let the cow in, then uses a system of lasers to map out the cow's teats so it knows exactly where to spray cleaning solution, dry them off, and then put on the milking unit's suction tubes. Some robots have a feeding station that dispenses grain for the cow to eat during the milking process. The robot can then keep track of how much milk the cow produced, along with the nutritional components. The milker automatically releases when the milk flow in the teats slows. The robot's door opens, and the cow can simply walk back to the barn or into the pasture when she's finished. One important element across all of these methods is that once those milkers go on the cow, her milk is never touched by human hands. It's a closed system from her udder to the jug, so you can count on milk's quality and safety every time.